Hi all, Renee here. I am so excited. My paper pumpkin for October 2025 came earlier than it usually does. So here's the box. I thought I'd do a little unboxing for you. I've already taken everything out of its packaging just so we don't, oh my nose itches, sorry about that. Just so we don't have all of the crinkling. So it usually comes with a really pretty piece of tissue paper, and it's just so cute. So anyway, here are the cards. Love these Christmas cards. So cute. All of the instructions. The great thing about these kits is this is what you get in the kit. You get everything you need to make the cards. You get a stamp set, you get adhesive, you get an ink spot, you get any kind of a bling, you get just envelopes, die cuts, everything you need. So if you were excuse me, just going somewhere on a quick weekend trip, or maybe you're going camping and you just want a little something, some kind of a little craft to do, this is a great way to do it because you just grab this box. It doesn't take up hardly any space, and you got it. You even get, in your very first kit, you get a stamp block. Now you have to keep that stamp block and use it. I am so sorry. Let me take a drink. Isn't this the cutest little turvis? I love this turvis. Anyway, sorry about that. So let's just dig into the kit, see what we got. And the kit looks like it makes 9 cards, which I'm going to make more cards. So you'll have to come back and see what I made. So these are self-adhesive sequins, but they don't have the hole in the middle. I love that. I wish I could get a whole bunch of sequins with no hole in the middle, because whenever I glue my sequins down, the glue comes up through the middle, and I do use Barely Art glitter glue, so it does dry clear, but it would be nice not to have to worry about it squishing through the hole. So I love that. Get some tear and tape. These are some little adhesive dots that are flat. We got some Stampin' Dimensionals. I love these things. So here's your adhesive. That's great. And you've got your bling. And our Stampin' Spot this time is Pecan Pie. And here is the stamp set. And you also get a little sheet that shows you what the stamps look like. So love this. Those are really great. Those would be great for making your own background paper. And you could also use Versamark on colored cardstock and get a tone-on-tone look. That would be really pretty. So now I did not get the add-on dies for this particular one because I already have dies that are similar. So I was trying to be good with my money. So I didn't get that, but here are the dies, and you can see that one of them matches this joy. I don't know if it would cut this joy out. I'm not sure. So if anyone knows, put that comment down below. So I love, I'm going to fold this in half just so we can not take up so much space, and put our little stamp set in there. So here's our stamp set. Oh, nice. We've got envelopes that are actually printed with the design, because I like to take the envelopes apart and use them. Now, these envelopes, I'm going to have to do something different than I usually do, because look how they're pointy rather than longer and curved. So we shall see how I use these. And then the inside is white. Okay. So you can see the difference in the print between white and the print. And there's 9 of those. Put that over there. And let's look at our card bases. So we'll have 3 of each card base. So here's this one. This design matches the envelope design. So I usually cut these in half, and then so I can get 2 cards out of 1 card base, and then just glue them onto white card bases that I make myself. Now I'm not sure if you're going to be able to see this. It has a very faint tone-on-tone, almost like dots, but they're kind of bokeh dots because they're kind of out of focus. I don't know if the camera's going to pick that up, but it's really pretty. Ooh, this is pretty. It's kind of almost like a pine branch. Really, really pretty. So those will be fun to cut apart so we can get some extra card bases. Okay, so these have got to be, I bet you Merry Christmas goes on these ones, and then Deck the Halls probably goes on these square ones. So very, very pretty. And then we've got a couple of these that I think they say, oh, they're for stamping joy. So I think, well, we might not stamp joy. Maybe we have some die cuts because it looks bigger than the stamp. But this is flocked. Oh, that's so awesome. Ooh, I love that. I love flocking. It's just so pretty. And I love the way it feels. Okay, and it looks like we've got some cards. So we got 3 of these brown ones. And these have, from the stamp set, it has those little starbursty things. I know, the words I use are so technical. I know. I probably make you feel so inadequate because, you know, all the technical. And this has a really, really faint pecan pie linen texture or linen print over it. Very, very slight. I'm not sure the camera's going to pick that up either. And then here's some more with the linen texture, but these ones have the edges, have the corners cut. That's really pretty. And then we've got some die cuts, and they are so easy to pop out. 2 of them popped out already. But these look like ornaments, and they're flocked as well, and little starbursts that are flocked. And then what else do we have in here? We have 2 sheets of this. So I bet you this is probably for that Christmas tree. Probably for that Christmas tree. Oh, and it looks like this is going to overlay over that. Isn't that beautiful? Get you in the camera. And this is all flocked as well, all of this. Love this so much. So we've got 2 and 3 of those. Oh yeah, we don't stamp joy on that one big flocked area. We have the letters right here, as well as, let's see, which ones are these? These are, oh, it's the hanger. Okay, so this is a hanger, and then the holly that holds the ornament. So cute. Okay, I think that's everything. Oh, and here's the tissue paper that it comes wrapped in. So that is everything in the Cozy Christmas October 2025 Paper Pumpkin. If you already got this, let me know what you think of it. Those of you who did not get it, I am so sorry. Paper Pumpkin, by the time that I get it, it's not available anymore. But you can sign up for Paper Pumpkin. It's $27 a month, and that includes the shipping. And you'll also get $2 back for a future purchase in Stampin' Rewards, kind of like Kohl's Cash. You can use it later. So that really cuts the cost way down. And I don't know where you're going to get 9 cards even for $27. I know I've said it before, but if you go shopping for cards, they're really expensive and you get crud. At least this way, you get nice things that are handmade. So with that, excuse me, I am going to let you go. I hope you enjoyed this quick little unboxing, and I will be back soon to make all of these cards and to make all of my alternatives. I know for sure I'll get 18 cards because these envelopes are printed. That's at least 9 out of the front, maybe another 9 using the back pieces, and maybe another 9 cards somehow using this. I kind of feel like, I don't know, my initial thought is some sort of an ornament, because I've got some ornament dies. So that's quite a few cards. That's quite a few cards, and I need them because I need a lot of Christmas cards. So with that, I will let you go. I hope you're all having a wonderful day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!